Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity. As part of this video, I will be covering writing queries that produces ranked or sorted data using Spark and using Scala as the programming language. So when it comes to sorting, there are two things which you need to consider. One is global sorting and the second one is sorting by key. So examples for global sorting is if you want to get a top employer or top employee within the company, you have to aggregate top employee by salary within the company. You might have to aggregate all the data of the salaries of the employees and sort in descending order or ascending order, and you have to fetch first record or last record or first n number of records to get the top n number of employees by salary within the organization. That requires global sorting. But if you want to get the details about top n number of employees from the department, from each of the department of the company, that does not require global sorting. You have to distribute data by key, which is department number in this case, and then within department number you have to get the top 5 employees. So one thing is it does not require global sorting, and hence using distributed technologies like Hadoop, Spark, etc., you can actually get better scale when you want to do sorting by a particular key like department, as in our example. So we'll see both aspects of it. In the first video, I will try to cover about global sorting and ranking, and then as part of the subsequent videos, we will see how we will do it by particular group or key. That being said, you can go to my GitHub account, go to Cloudera Spark, and here you have Spark demo Scala.txt, and if you scroll down, towards the end we have all the queries related to sorting. First we will see the global sorting. To sort the data, first we need to read the data. So what I will try to do is I will just try to use products, not orders. I will try to use products, and I will try to get the products in ascending order by product price within the organization. That requires global sorting by price. So I am getting into my VM. Now I am in the VM. I have to start the Scala with 1.2.1 because that is the version which will be provided to you as part of the certification. As 1.2.1 is not default on the VM, I am giving explicit path to 1.2.1 Spark shell, and here I can say yarn or local will work, but I will use local because it launches faster. So let me describe on products. I am using Hive to describe, or you can use MySQL database also. And when you see products table, it has 6 fields. The first one being product ID. The fifth one is product price. I just want to see all the data in descending order or ascending order of product price. That is the problem statement for global sorting. And for global ranking, we will see what are the top 5 prices, and then we will get into the by key sorting and ranking. So we have to read the data products, not here. Val products equal to sc.text file, as it is text data I am reading as text file. User Cloudera scoop import. This is the location where I have products, and hit enter. Now you have the products files mapped to this RDD variable products, and now I have to do products dot map. Each record will be passed as a rec variable, and then I want to use, so whatever attribute you want to use to sort, you have to use that as key. So rect dot split by comma, and we want to get the fifth field, which is represented by subscript 4, and then value is rec, and you can actually validate for each println and hit enter. Now you can see that it has returned 5 records because we have used take of 5, and the data is not sorted. So now there are multiple ways to sort the data. So let's go to the documentation. So documentation is at the bottom. Here go to the Spark 1.2.1 documentation and go to Spark programming guide here, and then to sort the data there are multiple functions, sort by key, sort by key and take ordered. So there are and also top also can be used to sort. So if you search for the transformations and if you scroll down here, you will find sort by key, which takes optional parameter of to determine whether you want to get in ascending order or descending order. By default it uses ascending order, and also that is part of the transformation. If you are applying transformation, then you have to run collect or take of 5, and then you have to present the data. And also as part of actions, you have take ordered to sort the data. So either you can use sort by key transformation or take ordered, and we will see the different aspects of it in a moment. So now instead of just taking running take of 5 like this, I will apply something called sort by key, and then I will take 5 of them and type for and get the 5 records using for each command. And you can see that as the data by default, as the data is sorted in ascending order, you got the first 5 records with all zeros and 0 priced ones. You can actually change it to collect instead of take of 5 to get all the products, and you can see the data is in ascending order, but by default data is in ascending order by string type. The reason is we are passing text data from the file, and whatever we get, whether it is integer or not, unless you cast it, it will not sort properly. For that reason, it's important to understand the data type of it and apply appropriate cast functions, so that the data is casted to the appropriate format which can be used to sort the data. So here you can say to int or to float, because it's of float type. You can use float, to float. To float will convert this fifth record from each of fifth attribute from each of the record into float, and then it will become key, and then when you apply sort by key, data will be sorted appropriately in the ascending order. Now you can see that 1999.99 cents is the highest priced product in our data set. Now if you want to sort in descending order, you just have to say false, because by default the parameter takes it as true if you don't pass the parameter. If you specify false, now it will be in descending order. You can see that the last few records are with zeros, and you can see that data is being in descending order. And if you want to just take few of them rather than everything to preview the data, you can say take of 10 and hit enter. Now you can see that the $19.99 product came as the top product. So this is how you can actually achieve the global sorting on top of your data. And then if you want to do ranking, there is a function called top. It's an it is an action, so you don't need to apply collect function on it. Top is also an action, so you can apply a top function like this, top of 5. So instead of sort by key, I can say top of 5 for each println, and what it will do is internally it will sort the data in ascending order by key, and then it will fetch the 5 records. Now you can see that you are getting top 5 records from our data set by price. So that's how you can actually achieve global ranking as well. Okay, and then there is another function called takeOrdered. So you are applying map and then sort by key, and then you are getting the data. If you want to avoid that, you can use something called takeOrdered. TakeOrdered will give you a lot of flexibility. It is more generic form of sorting the data compared to sort by key or top. And here what you have to do is, you don't need to map the data if you want to use the takeOrdered, and then you have to specify how many records you want to take. takeOrdered is nothing but sort by key then take, clubbed together is takeOrdered. And on top of that, it also gives a lot more flexibility. So sort by key plus take is a specialized case of takeOrdered. That's you can visualize that way. So the first parameter is 5, and then you can apply additional transformations as part of the takeOrdered itself, opening another circular bracket, and here you have to say rec, and I want to sort it by product price in descending order. So I want to split, I want to get the product price, and then I want to use to float, and to make it descending you just have to say minus here, and then for each println and hit enter. Okay, you have to apply a function like this. Yeah, I have to apply ordered. So this is the one which needs to be used. I will explain what it is. Paste it here. Here you have to use float. So ordering is another Scala class which can be used to sort the data. And then you can apply the logic how you want to order. I want to order in reverse, and which field I want to order. So here I am saying I want to order by the fifth field of my data set, which is product price, and I want to typecast it to float, and then I can run for each, and you can see that I got the top 5 products by price using this command. So instead of doing both sort by key and take to get the top 5 products, you can also use takeOrdered. takeOrdered gives you a lot more flexibility because you can apply a lot of transformations here, and you can apply you can take care of secondary sorting and all those things as well here. If you want to sort it by product price, and then if you want to sort it by product category ID first, and then by price, then you can use a takeOrdered because it gives a lot more flexibility than sort by key. You can use sort by key also, but you have to apply that logic in map. So takeOrdered actually clubs map function, sort by key function, and take everything together and gives one interface for you with takeOrdered, and it gives a lot of flexibility to globally sort the data. That being said, that is it about global sorting and ranking. And as part of the next videos, we will see how we can actually do by key ranking or sorting within our data set, and that requires a little bit of advanced knowledge of Scala, like list operations and all. So first I will cover all or recap all the important concepts that you need to be aware of to implement more complex transformations such as ranking and sorting by key. and then we will see how the by key ranking and sorting can be done as part of another video. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content on my channel. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. If you want to ask any technical questions, please use the Stack Overflow with appropriate tags. And if you want to discuss about Apache Spark or Hadoop certifications, you can join my LinkedIn groups called ITversity Apache Spark and ITversity Hadoop certifications. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will get to see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.